second Industrial Revolution covered oil and electricity and designed the internal combustion engine. So computers and robots is mao jud siya ang pinaka-main nga na-achieve jud sa kuan sa mga technological. The third Industrial Revolution, where nuclear energy and the fourth IR, natural gas, were found as potential source of energy. Nowadays, we're in the era of fourth Industrial Revolution, where the goal is to maximize to use the green energies, amides, and proliferation of the internet. So this is the fourth industrial revolution. The fourth industrial revolution, Klaus Schwab has used the term fourth industrial revolution. Si Klaus Schwab is nigamit siya og term nga fourth industrial revolution first when people navigate between their online ug sa ilang offline nga kuan ilang online lives. Then technological diffusion and globalization. This process can be referred to as technology and diffusion. Some technologies and in a market also have political understand between 2014 and 2018. So for example, is US, Russia, France, and Germany, and China were found to be the top ang mas top nga export sa technologies in the country. While ang Saudi Arabia is ang top most nga country nga buys and brings goods or services from a foreign country into their own domestic market for sale. Based sa research ni Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, Deutsche Welle 2019. According to the diffusion of innovation, or DOI, theories study the users of newly developed apps or users of first generation technologies. Ang kuan sa innovators is most of the country is na sila bago nga na-discover sa technologies. Other world adapt earlier than the average users, but would need some systematic support to be able to navigate using a technology early adapters. But then, there are those few who are skeptical and worried rather than through tried and tested methods and tools. So that is laggards. Example of the diffusion of innovation. So, ang innovators is 2.5%. Ang early adapters is 13.5%. Ang early majority 34%, late majority 34%, and laggard 16%. So mas kuan jud ang innovators ay sa mga bago pa sa mga new generation karon is mas taas jud ang gamit sa technology kaysa sa una. So digital natives, which is refers to people who have been accustomed to digital technologies. So like sa digital natives is katuli siyang mga sa una pa nga gagamit sa technologies and sila ang mga naka-discover sa mga technology. And then sa digital immigrants is kato na siyang mga naanak sila nga wala pang technology but na-adapt na nila ang paggamit sa technology in daily life.